Hi, my name is Laxman, and in this video I'm going to take you through the process of doing a FaceTime team call with different users from different platforms using different devices. For this video I have set up a Linux user, one Android user, and obviously one iOS user will be conducting the FaceTime meeting. So what we need to do is the iOS user has to set up the FaceTime meeting and then invite all the other users. I can also name this FaceTime meeting, so I'll just rename it to Meet, and then I'll just invite everyone that I need to invite. So once I have invited, I can open up the meeting and then wait for others to join. So I can also play with some buttons until other team members join the meeting. So I can just check my microphone, camera, everything. Okay, so I think it looks like the Linux user is getting ready to join the meeting. So he just joined the meeting by clicking on the link, and then first thing he has to do is name himself, and then its video has been turned on, and then I guess microphone as well. So before and there's one more thing he needs to do before joining. He has not actually joined the meeting, so there's a green button that he needs to press before he will be actually in the meeting. So I guess this is a kind of preparation before the user joins the meeting, and then I need to manually approve this particular user, or the FaceTime meeting organizer has to approve each individual joining the team meeting. So okay, let me approve the Linux user. So Linux user has joined the team meeting here now. So this is the Linux user. Let me ask him to fix his camera a little bit so we can see his cute face. Okay, so Linux user looks alright. Now turn for Android user. Android user is also trying to join the meeting by clicking on the link. Looks like this user's device is a little bit slower, and then it's taking a while. Okay, I think he also has to name himself before he can join the meeting. So this user is naming himself as Android for the sake of this video. Okay, looks like there's some problem with the typing. We'll just wait and see how it works. Since this user is using an old MI phone, so might be there it's a little bit slower, and then it's just asking for the permission to access microphone and camera. Let's just allow, and then he also has to click on the join button manually before he will be actually in the meeting. So he can also change the preferences from the option here. So he has just tapped on the join button, and then he also can mute or unmute or try to turn on his video, something. He can go full screen as well. And then for some reasons this user's video isn't working, not sure why. Okay, now my turn is to approve this Android user because he's in the waiting room, so that we can start the team meeting. So let me just accept the request, and then now you can see that Android user has also joined the team meeting. So now the team meeting can start. So if the team meeting is between the iOS user, Android user, and the Linux user, maybe they are just talking something about how they can make this more useful, how they can make this FaceTime feature, little bit more smooth. Okay, I'm just trying to sorry, not me, the Android user is trying to fix his video camera, but it's not working. Okay, so this is it, and the meeting is going on smoothly so far. It looks like everyone is happy and wise, and there are a few more options to explore for everyone. This is it. Thanks for watching.